Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So I'm not used to standing here with two sets of people from two different places. So we'll see if we can keep the names right, because it's one thing to get one set of people, but two. And obviously I haven't spent all day with you. We've spent a few minutes together. If you guys are here to pick up your vehicle, and you're here to pick up your vehicle, and you're gonna head back to Dallas, Fort Worth, and you're gonna head back to Orange County. So Noel, Dell, Jeremy, Starla are here. So Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, and all the way from Orange County. They've brought their Tundra to us to allow us to outfit it, and I can see that you decided you wanted to go big with the tires and you went 37s.
Yes.
Yeah, it looks good. I can tell it's making it very difficult for your wife to get in and out of the back seat or out of the front seat, either way. So yeah, it's definitely a big truck. I had some other people came in and were like, oh, maybe we should have done 37s and not 35s. And I was like, well, you're gonna wear out the tires and you probably put 37s on it next time.
That's right.
You guys did our lift on this?
That's the next.
Okay, well, you have it has our Westcott Lift on it right now. Yep, and I can tell because obviously we're able to get tires. We do a little trimming in the fenders and stuff like that. You're gonna obviously take your stock wheels and tires home with you, and the wheels look great on this. They're beautiful.
Yeah.
So it fits the wheel wells good, and everything looks really clean. All the black on it looks wonderful. So are you guys happy with it?
Very happy.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a 10.
So you said you guys came from YouTube.
I saw you.
So do I need to work?
Learn about you.
Yeah.
YouTube and the last YouTube. I subscribe to your channel.
Okay.
All YouTube that you produce, I can always have it.
Okay.
The last YouTube I watched you was something that really touched me. I
Yeah.
said, this man is real. He shed tears, and I think he's very honest, and it's worth driving 6 hours from Orange County, California to Phoenix,
Yeah.
Arizona, and back.
Well, we appreciate it.
Yeah.
And I was trying not to get emotional when we were talking, because I am an emotional kind of guy, and it truly means a lot. And you know, my wife obviously over here videotaping us right now, and she's not in the picture, but she's nice enough to take her time and to come over here, because I was like, who's gonna video for all of us? So I appreciate you guys making the travels over here, and your truck came out beautiful, and it truly means a lot. And I'm super grateful for you guys. And you know, I hopefully, you know, you guys, when you guys are in town again, or if you come to town, or hopefully this isn't the only reason.
We'll be coming back, because
Okay.
2 weeks from now we plan to take our GX2.
Okay.
Change the tires to 35. I have a 33 right now.
Okay. We know I think we could probably do that.
Yeah.
Maybe like this
I
one.
think so.
Maybe like this GX, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, like maybe like the roof rack, or maybe the rock sliders.
Rock
I was gonna say we
sliders.
didn't do rock sliders
Rock sliders.
for the GXs in 21 or 20, but we're doing them now, because these folks came in from Texas, Dallas, Fort Worth, and obviously 1,000 miles.
1,000 miles.
And I didn't have the heart to call you up on the phone and say, hey, we got a roof rack on your car, but the rock sliders that you ordered are not going to work on your car. The driver's side or passenger side rock slider worked. The driver's side, because of where the KDSS is located and where the tube comes off the frame, it was not going to work. And so we had to improvise quickly. And it's a good thing that we make everything in-house. So I told my one guy, I said, okay, I need you to make the outer of this. And then my fabricator and myself climbed up underneath there and kind of looked at how we could get this to integrate into your frame to still bolt up to all the factory holes. And so we did. We moved the front tube farther forward. We were still able to get a nice clean line. We were able to keep the line from front to back even, and we were able to keep the tubes in the exact same spot. They should work really well for you. You did say you got hunting and elk hunting and stuff. The one thing, like I told you, the one we might want to do is, and I'm happy to send you another one, or if you guys come back, is I'll make another rock slider that kind of goes under the frame, and then it can have a bolt run through it. But I just didn't know to the extent, and I knew that this was important to get this done for you and outfitted the way it was, and I'm glad that we were able to do it, because you dropped it off this morning, right?
This morning, yeah. That's
So
right.
they dropped their car off this morning, and I was like, uh-oh, I can't tell them we can't get this done. I don't like to tell people can't or no. And my wife has tried to teach me that you can't always do everything for everybody, and I try to do what I can to make it work out one way or another. So
We greatly appreciate it.
Nah.
You're the only guys that can make the GX look like this.
well, I thank you.
It's
So thank you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you for allowing your husband. I don't know if this was your doing or his doing or
It's
whatever.
my 50th birthday
Okay,
present,
so well, happy 50th birthday.
Yeah.
50th birthday. So
Happy
yeah,
birthday.
and
thank
you know, I'm so grateful for all you guys to come here and to allow us to work on your cars.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much. It really means a lot. Thank you. So I wish you guys safe travels home. You know, if you come to Phoenix again, please come see us. And thank you.
Thank you again.
So
Don't
thank
cry.
you. I won't. So thanks a lot.